of them probably yes. Specifically for the Clash, CodinGame streams will be in English in most of them, but the other streams, for example, in my head there are a few other opinions to stream in Turkish, by the way, like some containers and like Kubernetes, maybe Docker, to learn and teach together. So most of the CodinGame streams will be in English probably. But of course I will also streaming in Turkish as well. Is this okay? I mean, what do you think, for example? Is it good to be streaming English, or is it bad for you? Deja vu, hello, welcome. I'm not great right now, but that's okay. Izzy Zulu, welcome. I mean, I have had a few bad news. That's why I am a little bit in a bad mood, but I try to stream, and my head will be point to another direction. Okay, yeah, so that's great. Moms, thank you so much. Okay, let's create a let's start up in only reverse mode, and I just copy the link and paste to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Alice is also teams online. Let's invite him. If you can understand me too, there is no problem. Exactly. I mean, I can understand most of the things written in chat. Oh, in mobile. Oh, it will be very difficult. I mean, typo seems very difficult actually. Sahil works, sure, I can pass the chat again. Nope, Alice says something to do, probably he doesn't want to invite. He doesn't want to join right now, looks like. Maybe I will wait and see what the challenge is first. Yeah. I mean, tonight we probably solve only reverse modes because, as I said, I don't have a good mood to read long questions right now. And maybe we will probably solve only reverse modes tonight. I don't know. And Oh, it's for the first try. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so I can submit my code. It's too hard on mobile. Can't see what I am typing. Yeah, moms, it's normal. I mean, programming in mobile. I mean, that will be too hard. Fun, its difficulty is perfect, test case, ideal. I can submit. Moms, you can submit if it's too hard for you. Okay, Yaso, have a good night. Deja will look at the health of the code. Health of the string. It says you need to reverse the start from the health of the string, and plus you need to reverse the other part as well. But based on if the string is odd length or even length, you have to calculate it differently. Split the string half, reverse each part, and join back together. Exactly. I mean, I really like this kind of questions. Sometimes they are hard to see. I understand they are hard to see sometimes, but I really like doing some string manipulation as always. I mean, reversing and swapping inside a string. I always like that operations, no matter what. I hope music and my sound is okay. It seems okay, at least on Streamlabs OBS. And the resolution is 720 pixels. It's enough, I think. Oh, levels are perfect. Oh, that's nice. Shooting sounds. I mean, what is this sound called? Lofi hip hop. Looks like this sounds called as a general name as a lofi hip hop. I hope you enjoy this music as well. Okay, they also left, and we're still waiting for deja vu. Deja vu, if it is not an even number length, that means there is a middle character. So before reverse just to reverse to before that character and reverse the second part as well and write that character as it is. If it is even length if it is even length string, that means you can divide by 2, right? But if it is odd length, you can have it as a equal parts. So there's a middle character if it is odd length. So leave that character as it is and reverse to first one and reverse to second part. Firas, welcome. Just also joined. So we have only 1.5 minutes. Okay, the Java salt has a 100%. I think Firas also can solve in time. Question is very easy for him. But it's only 30 seconds left. So Firas, oops, it doesn't make in time. Yeah, I mean, it was a little bit time after you joined. Okay, let's back to home and let's create a new one. Let's start a private clash and just copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can still join with that link. Cyrus, AKK, welcome. Hello. T-boy, welcome. Okay, we have now 6 people in the chat. No, in the question, not chat. Might be a bigger one. Can you paste the link again? Sure, I will paste it to chat. Oops. Line 28. Why? Test one. Oh, that's right. Yeah, right. Let's try this one. No. I am doing something terribly wrong probably here, but I don't even see what am I doing here. How can this will generate I don't understand why this work. So let's try this one. This one works. But no. I misunderstand the question, honestly. Looks like. Parzival, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Looks like I misunderstand the question. It's meaning of the Stack Overflow reputation system based. But I can even solve this question. So that one doesn't mean a lot. I always should write to... No, that's not the case. Yeah, AKK, you can give a hint. I mean, why not? It's only 2 minutes left. Because there is no reading side of the question possible. It's given the inputs and outputs. It's only reverse modes we play tonight. It's an XOR or two numbers. I did the same. I mean, but their also their binary representation. Then oh, heading to maybe the longest one as well. Maybe I should heading the longest one. Yep, out of time. Yeah, it seems easy, but I couldn't see the pattern, at least just calculate the longest one in smallest one. So in Python, since I don't have to worry about the size, I can convert it to integers directly. Oh, but I could do it in string way too. And that seems really nice in Python. Okay then, let's back to Ham and let's create a new start private clash, and I just copy the link and paste it to chat. You can join with that link if you want. Mouse, are you still on mobile? I mean, it will be really hard to type in mobile. Oh, you jump to the desktop now? Oh, okay. Probably only got enough time for me, exactly. You're Steam right when I need to put the kids to bed. Oh, that's that's nice to hear. Which streamer? Welcome. The long. Oh, Parzival. I think it's the lastest follow user. Parzival, yeah. String was iterate over the first string using the next and check the string's position to using the module Lanka. Oh, okay. Okay, we have 9 people. Manbook, welcome. No, it wasn't right. Oh, it was right? Oh, it was right, yeah. Sometimes you just see the answer instantly, yeah, exactly. I mean, that was really easy one. But also sometimes even that was easy being actually solving too many problems might prevent you to see some easy solutions sometimes, because you always look some complicated and complex solutions, but the solution might not be that hard at all. That one took me way too long. Yeah, this is exactly what I tried to say, honestly. I mean, sometimes we just looking, since we always solve this kind of problems in coding game. Sometimes we think overly complex solutions, but result is in there. I mean, you can see easily, but your brain looks somewhat different, somewhat more hard things to solve. Sorry. Okay, Seaboy, Bamboo, Cyrus, and Carswell is also clashing right now. Mamuk has already sold, that's nice. I first thought it was able to divide by sum of the digits, then I thought it was to divide it by the maximum of the digit, then I finally came to the solution. Exactly. Cyrus, 25%. I mean, if you share your code, you can see what is wrong with it. We can even check it if you want. I mean, your choice. Moms, is that it? I mean, that's too short. Okay, man, take care. Have a good night. Or have a good day, wherever you are. Parzival, the question is about the number is divided by that number digit count. You can see the inputs and outputs. You need to see that there is a correlation between inputs and outputs always. The question asks you with the number and divided by its digit count. By the way, I don't like to tell the people how to solve this kind of questions, because I mean this is the whole point to solve to clash this kind of questions, because you have to see yourself. I mean, if you have a lot of practices, you will get faster to see all the patterns here. Okay, C-Boy and Isabel are also still clashing. I mean, if you don't solve the question, guys, you can submit it. So let's not wait to other people as well. We can pass the next question. You can still write in the chat also. Struggled with printing what I want. In C, I mean, you just need to, I think you just need to calculate What? Oh, really? I mean, you probably easily have a string length in C. I mean, you can easily create a string representation of that number and use strlen, for example. Okay, then let's create a new clash, a private clash, and let's start. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. AKK, have a good day or have a good night. Thank you. CEOs, welcome to stream. No worry, Parzival, I mean, you can still join with that link that I wrote in the chat, the new one. So when you have some practice here, you always improve yourself with this kind of practices. So this is the whole point to stream, my stream, honestly. Oops. Um, Uzaylı Seya, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I can submit my question now. My solution, not my question. I always said that wrong. I always said I can submit my question, not submitting my question, my solution. Okay, CO's already solved in 1 minute. I think it's fun. Difficulty, not that difficult actually. I can say perfect. Test case, ideal. I mean, when it's late, I always like to solve reverse problems because you don't have to read too much long questions. In daytime, yeah, I mean, it's okay to solve all the modes and reverse additional as an additional fastest mode and shortest mode, but at night, even it's also if it's late, it's okay to solve reverse problems only. So I mean, there is not too much too long explanation to read, at least. Bum, bum. What do you think, by the way? Reverse only rules, I think. Here's Deja Vu is already solved. Deja Vu 80%. Maybe one test cases you have to write some custom custom lengths. You have to calculate some custom length, or probably test case 3 or test case 4. There is all A characters. For example, if you check my code, you probably can understand. Right, let's say COs. Aha. That's really nice solution. I think this is way better than the I handle some custom length by me. Yeah, that's a very nice. Deja because the reverse of itself is equal to itself. It's a palindrome string, so you have to write the shifting until you get the original string. You have to write the one shift character at the string until you get the original string. That's why this AAA string, when the next iteration is also the same itself, so it's only written in 2 times. I have to write a special case. I didn't get to this one also, but COs handle it very well. Okay, June, C-Boy and Parzival has also still clashing. And let's check Seahouse how to. Oh, I mean, centering manipulation is really easy. I can write this one as well, of course, but I customize the I customize it as a another static method, and which is called shift right. So it gives the given string and the one character by shift. As you can see here. Okay, there's only 1 minute left, by the way. Okay, the clashing is almost finished. Parzival has already sold. That's nice. June and Seaboy couldn't solve this. Okay. So you can still look at my code or other people's code as well. I mean, you can check for Python COs, for C# for my code as well. I mean, you probably can clearly understand. I mean, this is especially CO's code is way better. So it is quite nice to write it in Python, I'm sure. Okay, let's create back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start. I just copied the link and passed it to chat, so you can join with that link if you want. Why does it want the last letter again? Because you have to write while you get the same string. So every iteration you have to shift by character. Whenever you get the original one, you stop there, but you still write it there. Yep, PS all is great. I hope I get a point where am I company with Payeta. Okay. Alice also joined, but I am really angry about him since I saw him today for another streamer's chat, programmer's chat. So I mean, he's clearly cheated on me. I don't know what to say about it, but that's life, it happens. Even he said he doesn't even look like. I am sure the opposite one is true. I did it for a good cause. Oh really? What is the good cause then? Tell me, explain. Yeah, or for a different programmer's chat. Different programmer's stream. I mean, what to say? Which one? I'm not sure. I don't remember, but it doesn't matter. I mean, my heart is still broken. I don't know what to say. I was trying to show them how good a programmer can become if they frequent your streams. Sure, I'm sure. Ay. Oh, um, okay, let's play all test cases. I didn't even close this. But no, I don't need to close here. But let's calculate this one. I will prefer your stream, but when you are not streaming and I want to clash, what am I supposed to do? I think your solution is you have to stream 24 hours, so I have to quit my job. You are saying I have to quit my job, and I got proxies I don't get any money from Twitch so far, and I should stream 24 hours. Is that your plan? I mean, Alice, come on. You can do better than this. Why am I getting test 5? What? Okay, I don't even see what am I doing wrong here, which is the worst part. Aha. Your n does not have to be an integer. Okay then. Okay, let's create them as a floating points arithmetic, and like that. This should work, I think. Oops. I still get that wrong. For test 5. Wrong. Found maybe the right approach here. For the first minutes, I thought that there is no way I can solve this. Feels good that I managed to do so. I mean, no, because I did not even do that here. That sucks. Because I still do the. First of all, I have to write in here. Yes. Let's play all test cases again. I think this should work completely. Yes, exactly. Because since I write in the last part of the expression, they still calculate the integer division, not floating point division. Oof. That's nice. Okay, Alice solved this already almost 3 minutes. That's weird. I mean. Okay, June, Firas, Seos, and me has also sold. I think it's quite fun. Difficulty, I mean, I will say perfect. Test case, ideal. And I can submit. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Deja Vu, Parzival, and Seaboy is still clashing. Okay, Deja Vu also sold. Last 30 seconds. Parzival, if you give up, you can just submit your submit it. Okay, Seaboy also submitted. Okay. Let's create a back to home and start private clash. And let's start a new one, so I can copy the link and pass it to chat. Yeah, I mean, I didn't even see the question itself. Almost always try to get exactly integer representation. So you have to calculate some floating point division as well, and round to nearest integer. I mean, it was quite easy, yeah. But it is somewhat calculated different edge cases as well. The math was easy, but struggling with some of the basic goals. See, whenever you practice, the boy, I mean, you will get better, I am sure. I tried to set a for calculations instead of hints. Okay, let's try this one. Yep, there's an overload. But of course doesn't. I get it. How can I solve this? Probably. This returns double, so okay, let me check. if this works in for integers, and I will consider the what is going to type to bool. Really? Oh, this one. Let's try this works or not. This is exactly what's in. Oops. What? Oh. But this will never return. Okay. But this should be the power. Yeah, I mean, I complete right there. Orders, I think. Alice, you can usually return the results, but I did in the past. I mean, it shouldn't be a problem if I remember correctly. What the hell is going on wrong? Oh. X raised power Y. Okay. That base. That does not. for 3. This should return 4. No, I write in here. Oh my goodness. What's happening here? I can't just click the clash link to get the results. No, I mean you can in your browser history you should still at least back to that page. I mean, I did in past. Should work on you as well. But still, this is not what's. Yeah, I should try. What am I missing? So I calculate logarithmic based on this one. Okay, for this one it will be 3 and 81, so this should return 4. So 3 power of 4 is 81. Okay, then math.pow this is 4. Oh no, that's not true. No. Should write like that. Start plus 1. All this can be created to this is 3, this returns 4, and I should calculate 3 first 1. I still don't see problem here. I mean, I don't even understand how this math.pow returns 14 in any case like that. I really don't know, honestly. And it passed to 60% right now. Why? That's weird. Okay, let's check CEO's code as well. Oh, it's only calculated by the modules. It divided by that number and increased that number by 1 and then multiply. Okay, Duxley is also sold. Membuk 8%. Shiraz 20%. Okay, it was kind of fun. I mean, I don't get too much fun because I still don't know why my code didn't work in that case. Maybe it's some floating point issues here, but I don't know. Difficulty is perfect. I think the ideal test case, and I can submit it. Dang it, yeah. Okay, let's create a back to home and let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. I get more than 0%. Yeah, that's an improvement. That's an improvement, Seaboy. Darlist Gelruh, welcome. Stream. You just squared the C term. Oh. Yep. Berka Uziga Kol Allah, thanks for joining us tonight again. Now I can probably say your nickname as a better way. I think I used it, but I can say it more than 2 times in a row probably. Oh, I found it. That's nice. Yep. I mean, it's a little bit hard to see this one. Fun, it's difficult, perfect, and test case ideal. CO sold is in 29 seconds. Firas has already sold. Okay, Deja Vu sold also. Parzival has also sold. I mean, it wasn't that hard, but it's sometimes kind of hard to see these kind of questions. Just because the output is so big, it's hard to guess. Yeah, I mean, for the smaller values, I mean, they are really close, so it is not easy to see that also. But for the middle values, it's easy to see. Mambook has already sold. Parzival, see you. Oh, really? He's Turkish. Okay. Yep. Thank you, Firaz. Have a good night. Have you watched the movie Ready One Player? No, I didn't watch, honestly. Oh, you didn't ask me what? June has already sold. Okay, there's only 4 minutes left. Yes. Yep. Python solutions are always same almost. Mix C++. The question is all about, by the way, the power of 2 power of that number minus 1. As you can see from the Python solutions and the C Sharp, my C Sharp solution as well. For example, for 9, you should return the 2 power of 9 minus 1, which is 511. C-boy, you only fail with 1. Oh, maybe the you with with G, you might not be represented that biggest one of the biggest number in the test cases, probably. That's why you probably get the last one as a as an error, I think. Other than that, other than this, your solution seems nice. Yeah, it makes 1x, yeah. Okay, that's nice. Let's create a back to home and let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. If I change to the %d, I get snag out low numbers. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, in C there's a perfectly writable for all that big one of the biggest numbers. I mean, maybe it seems like a language barrier. Okay, we are now 4 people here. It's maths.hash whole function, I think. Yes, but when you write in the printf, since you are using a placeholder like with module character, module G, I think, if I remember correctly. Okay, we are only 5 people right now. Oops. I mean, it's kind of trial and error, but oops. Hmm. Okay, this will test all the test cases, I think. Which is a similar a game called Simon Says, which is quite famous, I think. Yo sold in 88% in Ruby. Okay, that's nice. That's all the test cases. It's quite fun. Difficulty was easy, I think. So you can, and test case ideal, so I can submit it. Let's check COs. What is the which test is it? He missed. Yes, please. I mean, I don't know. This should be in the here, maybe. I don't remember exactly inputs and outputs, but called Simon Says, right? This is the it was the game, yeah. Called Simon Says. Simon Says is a children's game for 3 or more players. Each player takes the role of Simon and issues instructions, usually physical actions such as jump in the air or stick out your tongue to the other players. It should be followed only when prefaced with the phrase Simon Says. Exactly. Okay, only 4 minutes left. I mean, it's easy string manipulation questions, so you only check with start with Simon Says and it contains right. And if it is not, find its index and calculate the rest of the string with that index. Oh my goodness, I can't even open my eyes right now. June has already solved. This classic Simon Says question. What a nice profile picture, I mean, that is the Gelurk. That's cool. Okay, only 1 minute left. Okay, Seaboy couldn't solve this, and Derlis Gelur with 55%. That's nice actually. I mean, always C sharp as well. Okay, I solve it this way. Let me explain it. Let me make it somewhat bigger. First of all, if I checked my string doesn't start with Simon Says, so I write 3 dots. If else, I find the index of the where right word in that sentence. If index is bigger than 0, and if I will write something, and else that means there is no right in the sentence, so I will write 3 dots again. And I check the index plus 6 means right is 5 character word, and there is a space after it, so I check the plus 6. Index plus 6 is less than sentence dot length. That means it doesn't overflow. I mean, it doesn't have the last 6 character with right and white space. So I write the console and its substring index plus 6, starting with that string, and get the rest of the string. If it's not, that means it's overflow the string, and I write it to 3 dot again. I mean, I write with this way, and it passes all the test cases. Yep, nice and clear. I think it's quite clear as well. I mean, I hope I can explain it clearly also. All right, let's call the night then. I write my social accounts, Twitter and YouTube, and as you know, I create only programming related videos for YouTube as well. If you wanna follow Twitter and YouTube, I will really appreciate that. And if you wanna support my channel, you can always subscribe to it also. I mean, your support will be a lot to me. And I will rate Zapah channel, which is also streaming CodinGame right now. And thank you so much for joining us tonight. And in June, CEOs, Derlis Gelurt, Seaboy, I mean, whoever in the chat right now, Belgium, by the way, and Delikurt, Duxley, Lidelara, Mounts, Sene TV, and thank you for all joining us tonight. I mean, I really appreciate that, and I rate you, Zappa. You can continue the solving coding game problems with his stream, and thank you so much. Have a good night.
So it's cool that there are a few ways to do it. The guy I was going to raid just raided me. Maybe my video driver will hold out a little longer. Welcome everyone.